Alright, we're live on YouTube. We're live on Twitch. We're live everywhere, man. But I'm not ready yet. 1 second. Well, we're gonna tackle this Auth. I think we're gonna make a lot of progress today. I don't plan to. This isn't like a regularly scheduled stream, so I'm just kind of freestyling here with my time. But I probably think about 2 hours I'll be on working on this stuff. Maybe if I'm like really flowing, up to 3. I don't think I'll touch 3 though. Alright, I'm almost ready. And I'm not even gonna do any leak code today, man. It's just gonna be straight up web dev, you know. I don't have time for leak code these days. Alright, here we go, here we go. It's time to get this party started, man. Alright, let me just run everything real quick. And let me try and remember what I was doing last. So, let me get my back end up. Let me get the front end up. Man, it's cold in here. My fingers are cold. Alright. Is everything up? Not yet. Alright, here it is. This is where we left off, I think. So right now it says I'm not logged in. Let me go ahead and log in real quick. Oh, Saddam from YouTube, what's happening? First here, let's go, yeah. First on YouTube, welcome to the party, man. Is your website open source? Maybe it can help with Tailwind and contribute. I'm learning React. Saddam, I do not have my website open source. And I'm not sure if I will open source it at this time. After like, I'm not supposed to be working on any open source projects because of my job. I have to like put in an application. I don't want to deal with any of that stuff, so I'm keeping everything closed source. Zell147, howdy, how you doing? And Bobby Blue, how do you like the chair so far? It's pretty chill. My girlfriend sits in it though, not me. So I think she likes it. All right. So this is where we just logged in to the thing, and wait, how the only way we can tell right now if we're logged in is if I go to this profile page, and it says yes, there's my email, and I'm logged in, and then now the cookies are working because I can just close the tab and come back, and I'm logged in. Is that how it works? So now what I want to do is maybe I get rid of this, but I also want to show, I don't want to show login there if you're already logged in. Maybe I show like a profile link or something with your username. Maybe we can work on that stuff right now. So I gotta figure out how to do all that real quick. Ryan from YouTube, were you able to solve the media query issues? You mean to make my site responsive? Yes, I think I was. I think it looks decent on like mobile or whatever. So this is how it is, responsive. It's okay, you know. It's definitely responsive. The topics too, all that stuff. But yeah, so I was able to solve those problems for sure. And now I'm working on trying to add user auth, and it's been challenging, but I think I'm making good progress now. All right. All right. What was I trying to do? I was trying to edit my header or something. So, wait, how do I know? All right. Because my header is going to be on every page, maybe I need to know if I'm logged in from my index page somehow. How do I know that, man? Let me think here. Man, so I've been thinking about working on this dang website all day for sure. And now I don't know what I'm doing. Oh yeah, so I guess I can put it in this loader. And this is action function args. What are the different types of args for Remix? Let me see. I think I have them on the type racer page. Or no. Action function. What's the other one? So this one is like for post requests, right? What's the other one called, man? Loader function args. Yeah, so maybe this index page, this loader should really be a loader function args instead of the action function. Because this is just like a GET request on the server side. And what it's doing is it fetches the supporters from my backend and the streamers there and there. What am I trying to do here? Oh, I'm trying to see if we're logged in based on the cookie that's coming in through this request. So we get this cookie, and if the cookie has this, oh yeah, it's already here, right? So if we have a session from our cookie, then maybe we're in business. Maybe I'll put something in here. In this, that's like, well, there's my session in there. Maybe I can have like is online. But all right, I guess if there's a session in here, that means we are online. So I'll just leave it like that. I'll just put this back in. Is that all what? I don't even know what's in a session. Maybe I should console log it real quick. Let me see what's up. So this is saying null. But should it be null? Is that cookie also? No, there's something in that cookie, man. So this thing ain't really doing what I expected it to do. Maybe let me see what I had on the profile page. So this is a server. Oh, wait, I know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing different. I'm using the wrong import or the wrong Supabase, right? I'm not using that one anymore. So this is on the server side. Let me import these things and then let me see what this does. All right. Young Lenzo, thank you very much for the follow. Welcome to the party. All right, let's see if this dang session stuff works. Man, Man, it's taking longer than usual. There we go. Oh man, it already knows I'm online. Look at that thing. Look at that thing, man. All right, let me think about what to do now. What I was trying to do. I was trying to send down some information to my header. It's like user logged in or something. Is user logged in? And can't do that. Props TV. What's happened? Welcome to the party. All right, so in this header stuff, I guess we can have these props where, what was it called, man? Is user logged in? I gotta start making my types properly, man, because I envision myself accruing all this tech debt and I'll never pay it off if I keep going down this path. Maybe one of these days I'll just have a stream where I fix all my types in my project and then make it clean from there, you know. How am I doing? I'm doing all right. What am I doing? I'm trying to add Auth with Supabase onto my React Remix website, midnightsimon.com. All right, so what was I trying to do? I was trying to say, yes. I was trying to have my nav links here. Maybe I shouldn't have it as a const, because I want to probably change it. Flashy Sing. Thank you very much for your kind words. Well, I don't know actually how to do this. Maybe I'll have it const like that. And then maybe I'll just make a conditional, like if is user logged in, if that's true, then I don't know styling guides for TypeScripts, man. Like, what do people usually do with variable names? Is it camel case like that? This feels a bit inefficient. But I don't know how React works, or if it's best to like make, because I'm just like appending one thing to this list, you know. I don't know if it's good to make a copy like this every time. So what I want a new link that's gonna say profile. Instead of login, right? So if else, we're gonna put this one in instead. Can I do it like that, man? Camel case will do. All right. Yeah, so I don't know if this is good to create a copy of these nav links every time, or is it making a copy? I assume it's making a copy because this is a const. Or should I have like logged in links, and then like not logged in links, or logged out, I don't know what to call it, you know, and then that way I don't have to create every time, it's already there and I'm just using more memory. Do people even think about this type of stuff on front end, or people, I don't know, maybe not at the stage I'm at right now, but still. Not a copy, it's gonna be a reference. Is that how? All right, so if I did it like a reference, then how does that work when I'm pushing a new object, but then the original thing was a const? I've had huge problems with this one time. Wait, let me just create two separate ones, and then in here I'd be like, what was it? Is user logged in? Then we're gonna go with I don't know what to do. Let me think. Pushing to const is fine, but reassigning is not. Alright, now maybe I feel like I'm just overcomplicating things for no reason. But here's what I'm gonna do. Final thing. I'm just gonna take this off. I'm just gonna have these 4 links there. And then maybe I'm trying to make things a little bit more readable, so can I just put this in a function? Navigation menu item. And if I do that, where should I put that function? Can I just make a function like this? Like make nav item, and then I just return this. Who did that, man? Don't defense. What's happening? Is this how things work? Well, maybe I only need 2 things here. Hold on, don't defense. We're gonna hit that. Do you set that last bet? Wait. There's a last bet? What was the bet? Will I get 100 WPMs? Did I get 100 WPMs? I think I did, right? For sure. I would have remembered every bet I lose. Yeah. I'm pretty sure. I had an object template and was assigning it to another var, assuming it was a copy. Had huge headache and discovered it's always a reference for JavaScript objects. Interesting. Yeah, I don't know the JavaScript behaviors. Check the VOD? No, I don't need to check the VOD, man. I already know it was a yes, for sure. That was the last type racer. Because if it was no, people would have been like, come on, man. I remember specifically typing good. Oh, Little Freezy is in the house. What's happening? All right, we got a type racer coming up, and then we'll get back into the web dev stuff. So let's create the dang type racer racetrack. Chronics, thank you very much for the follow. All right, here's the racetrack. YouTube, Twitch, and Discord coming up. First race, warm up. Second race, championship round. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go warm up real quick. I don't know if my type racer cam is working right now. Man, my fingers are cold. That's for sure. Yeah, don't defense, just join in. Oh, Q. What's happening, Q? Didn't realize you're streaming today. Yeah, I am streaming, but it's not like a normal thing, you know? I just couldn't stop thinking about finishing the authentication stuff, Q. I had to come on here and stream. At least to get a few things done. Alright, y'all ready? We should what? I was actually 103 guests that had to log in. Alright. Alright, this is the championship round, so make sure you're logged in, man. Make sure you are logged in. Wait. Hold on. Nug Run Only is trying to stream together. What does that mean? I've never done a stream together, but he's playing Path of Exile too. What do I do? Anyways, I don't know how to deal with that stuff right now. Should I look up? What is a stream together, man? Does that mean he's gonna come on the stream and we have to talk about Path of Exile? No Grown Only, are you watching me right now, man? You gotta let me know. This is all new stuff. Let me click this button that says preview. Oh, he's out there. He's just chilling. Oh, he's chilling, man. Oh, I think it was a mistake. I was like, yo, what is he doing? Alright. Anyways, looks like it was a mistake. Oh shit, Nugron only. I see. Just clicked on the knock thing. Yeah, I've never seen that before, man, so I wasn't sure. Anyways, no worries, man. That was funny. Oh, don't defense. You want to bet you versus Q? Man, it's too late to bet. Let's just race. Let's just race. Here we go. Championship round about to begin, man. Y'all ready? I'm ready. Man, I made a lot of mistakes, but dang, don't defense 109, only triple digit on the board. 97 for me. Clistar 89, third place. Little Freezy 88th. Little Freezy, I saw you zooming in the first half, and then I don't know, you crashed and burned, man. Q kind of chokes on live rounds. Yeah, Q can't handle the pressure, man, of the real championship round. Oh shit, Matt 156 is in the house. All right, so Don't Defense won that with a 109. Let me add that to the website. That's not the real website. Here we go. Add champ. Don't Defense with the 109. Oh, Don't Defense 24 wins coming on up for Q's number 4 wins of all time spot. I think I'm gonna break this down by year, so we'll have just like how this one is broken down by year. I think I'll do that for the type racer, so it just shows every new year or something, you know. Anyways, what was I working on? I was working on the whole header stuff, where if I'm logged in, I'm showing something, otherwise I'm showing something else. Alright, so I'm just trying to maybe return this. Link to would be link to, and then the name would just be the name. And then I can delete this, perhaps, hopefully. Let me see if that still works. Yes, there it is, it still works. So then now I can be like, if I'm logged in, so is user logged in? And then I'll hit them with the which one would this be? Profile. And what's the link? Do I have to put the slash profile? Otherwise it's gonna be login. Yeah. Uh-oh. Props TV. See you later. Thank you for tuning in, man. Wait, what is this? Using the user object as returned from Supabase.auth get session or from could be insecure. Use get auth.get user. Okay, where did I use this? Get session. So it's saying I should get user. Okay, I'll do that then. Where am I saying I'm doing that? Is it right here? Get session. They're telling me get user. Data user. So I just want the user, maybe. I don't really know what's in there yet. But I'll change that session stuff in a bit. Let me just see if this works. Uh-oh. It says user is null. Let me restart and see what's up. Hold on. How does this know, man? Oh, because it already knows. Because I feed it the request when I create the client. And then I see what they're saying, man. feed it that stuff, and then yeah. Let me go back to that thing. Where was I? Here, I don't need to send it anything, right? Because this creates the cookie already. So I don't even need this. And then my user is there. And then now everything should be good. Oh, look at that. I got the names backwards though. In my header. Yeah, these are backwards. Are they backwards? Link to and link text. Yes, they are. Link to link text. I might even have this text be something else, like wait, actually I don't have that. I'll just have it say profile for now. All right. And then let me delete this thing right here. And then now that login stuff works. Maybe I need to make a log out button though. Wait, how come on my profile page it's looking like this? Oh, I know why. That's a bit annoying, man. But I know why. I know why. I wonder if this is a good time to try and figure out how to use context so that I can access this user stuff from anywhere. So this happens in my loader. So maybe on all of these pages, I guess my loader stuff is in here. And then in the header, I can just put like I don't know if this is a good pattern, but what's in here? I guess if anything is in there, or if user dot role equal authenticated or something, or what is AUD? Let me try and figure that out. Audience claim, what does that mean, man? I suppose if let me see, yeah, if this exists, that means we're logged in for sure. I'm gonna just say this, man. Isn't Auth so fun? Yeah, it's not bad. It's not too bad. After the third day on it, man. Alright, so we're kinda authed, except it's annoying if I have to like do this on every single page, you know? How do I not do that? Because on this one, this doesn't even have a dang thing. You know what I'm saying? 100% least favorite part. Yeah, this is not super fun, but I feel I just have to push through and get it over with. All right, I think I need that context stuff, so wherever I am, I can get access to that auth stuff. Let me see some things here though. Where my teeth? How you doing? I'm doing all right. Welcome to the party, man. All right, when I hit this about page, what happens? Because there's no loader or anything. So what is it doing, you know? I don't know what I'm looking for. So should I have... All right, this can't be the pattern, man, to have this dang loader server side on every single route. That doesn't seem too great, you know. Should I do some research on that? Coffee and coding. What's happening? If code seems repetitive, it can always be simplified. Yeah, I just don't know what the pattern is for this React remix stuff after I know I'm logged in. Maybe they mentioned something in the documentation, or man, there's like a link. I don't know where it's at though. This keyboard sounds beautiful. Thank you very much. Bubble 75 with Aqua King switches. Just like to make infinite loops? What are you talking about, man? Alright, server-side rendering stuff. Should I... Can I just see if... I don't know yet. I don't know yet. Talking simplifying code? What? Oh. Let me think. How should I handle this? Maybe I should just... Norwegian Oiler, what's happening? Yeah, maybe I should just do it for now, and then I'll try and solve this problem as the site gets bigger. When are the subs getting a Honda emote? Man, they're not. They are not, man. Alright, I'm just copying this dang loader function everywhere for now. It's not what I want to do, but it's what I'm gonna do. Man, I just feel like it's gonna create so many unnecessary requests to my server, but I guess I can handle them since like no one goes to the website, you know. But it just feels wrong to have something like this. feels a bit wrong, at least. All right, maybe what I can do is anytime we click on a link, like in the navigation, there must be a way to pass properties to the new link, right? Let me look that up. Should I just ask ChatGPT? How do I pass props to a new route in use params? Oh no, that doesn't look cool. I don't know, man. Let me check it out myself. And we're looking for a nav link stuff. What does it have? Two eight. What's happening? I'm trying to. All right, let me try and explain real quick. So I have my thing, my website, right? I can log in. I'm logged in, right? This is profile page or whatever. I don't know why that doesn't work, but I'm trying to not have to send a request to my server to figure out if I'm logged in whenever I click like on this about page. There's no data. This is just a super static page. But then this header changes to login because this doesn't know if I'm logged in or not. So I'm trying to like pass state from one route to another route when I click on it. And then this, man, this doesn't set my cookie. Oh no. Oh wait, it does, but something ain't right. You have a JWT token saved on client. How? What do you mean? I don't know what I'm doing, by the way. Let me just say that. And the Black Arv, how are you doing? Can you use cookie? Yeah, that's what I'm trying. So you're saying when I log in, I just keep the cookie, which is... Oh, you know what? Hold on. So on my login, oh, hold on. I think I was checking if it exists in storage. Yeah. I see what you're saying. But I had a problem here because I think I wasn't setting the stuff right. Alright, how do I return? So this is gonna return data. But alright, let me just look up remix. How do you return headers here? Should I return something like that? So all right, this profile page, it looks, I'm trying to just understand everything. This is a server-side function, this loader, right? So anytime we hit this profile page, it tries to get some information from the server, and then Supabase will create this client based on the request, and it reads the cookies, and it creates a client based on the cookies, and then it creates some new headers that we have to return, right? But this is also returning the user data for the profile, but I just want to also return the right. Do I have to return cookies here, man, or not? I don't know how the internet works. Maybe I don't. Or should I, you know? Like, I don't know how this JWT stuff works. Well, Connect, how you doing, man? No, actually, I had it like that before with the get session, and they say I should use get user instead. Like, they say the get session stuff is not secure if I'm passing the session back to the client. But yeah, do you know what I'm saying? So maybe I can use this thing where where was it? Do I return it like this? Let me try this. Where do I import this from? Who knows? Who knows what I'm doing, man? Anyways, maybe how do I get that? Everything is unfamiliar to me here. I'm just making up dang stuff, you know? And it ain't. Alright, let me try to... Alright, what the hell is this doing? This is returning a redirect. So there must be some type of other thing. Return new response. Like that. Let's see. Thank you very much. Defect. don't even know how I'm supposed to test things. All right. So that doesn't work too great. So that means something is going wrong here, because it's not supposed to even reach there if it's null. So I'm trying to see what is in there. My server dead? Is everything just crashed? Anyways, another struggle out here, man. Every day is struggling with this web dev stuff. All right, let me see how this looks. But there's my email. Info. Oh, I see what's happening. I see what is happening, man. So I gotta go like this. User, right? And then this part should work now. I hope. Maybe not, maybe not. Or maybe I gotta just restart. Dang. Maybe not. User.email. That should be alright, yeah? But there's no email. Can I do that? Yeah. Look, it says email right here. Why is it tripping? Tony Talks. Thank you for the follow. Oh, do I need to like, so it's, maybe it's just one big old string or something. And it doesn't know, like, man, everything is confusing me here. All right, something just happened. So maybe I have to like JSONify it or whatever, parse it. Or does that even make sense? Man, I guess that's what we had to do. It was just reading it as a string. It's a little bit not great, but I guess it will do for now. I forget the whole reason I was doing this though. I got lost in the sauce, man. Oh yeah, I'm trying to figure out Yeah, I guess I'll just add it to everything. Let me think. You can return JSON in the loader instead. Wait, can you? Even if it's... Even if it's a response here? Because I think... Do I need to, like... Alright, so I'm not too sure if I need to return these headers every single time. Because this loader is on the server side, yeah? And then I'm sending in my cookie. I'm not sure how these cookies work, but I use these cookies to create the Supabase clients. And I get the user based on that cookie. And I'm not sure if I have to like return these new headers on the response. You know what I'm saying? Or if it just works without doing all that. Maybe it just works, huh? I mean, before I wasn't returning this, I was just returning the actual JSON. And then I'd be here. Oh, whoops. Maybe let me put this back to how it was. Either way, you got it working. I hope so. Let me see. So maybe I don't really understand how cookies work here with this web token stuff. I guess I don't need to set them after every request. So even though like it should just work. Oops. Yeah, I guess it just works, man. Alright, so then in our about page, you're saying I can just read the cookie from the local thing, and then if it's there, I decide what if I'm logged in or not based on that, right? Steel Toad, how are you doing? The browser sends the site cookies whenever it makes a request. Right. So, alright, the thing I am not sure about is after you send the cookie, does the server that receives the cookie send an updated new cookie back with new like session IDs and stuff in there? It seems not. It seems like once you get the cookie, you can just use it for however many requests without updating it. But I'm unsure. You don't need to do it on every page. Just move this logic inside the header itself. Cookies are live for an amount of time. Okay, I hear you. Alright, so this is the about page, which doesn't actually get any information from the server. It's just a hard-coded page with nothing in there. And you're saying it's probably best to read that cookie locally from the clients. I gotta see how to do that. Create a React remix component that will check if a certain cookie exists, then render something. All right, let's see. No, we don't want a dang loader function, man. I want... cookie exists? Wait, Because I don't want to send the dang request to the server side. Alright, I'm gonna just Google it. How to check cookies. Four years old? Is that too old? Use cookies? Is that what we need? Or React cookie? Should I trust that? So I need to download another thing then, huh? Another package based on that. (2023) JS cookies. All right, let me go back to ChatGPT and tell them if it's an HTTP only cookie set from the server, you won't be able to read it on the client. How do I know if it's HTTP only cookie? Because all right, there's my cookie right here. Right here. I'm just looking for this thing, and I don't know if it's an HTTP only cookie though. Researchy, how are you doing? This is how Supabase devs suggest how to do it. Oh man, interesting. Supabase. Use Supabase. Yeah, so this is on the server side though, right? Because it's in Next.js server components. Or I don't know. Like I already have the cookie, it seems. And I'm just trying to render either login or React context. Yes, I think context is probably made for this type of stuff. Or should I try React cookie to just check the damn cookie? Like get the cookies? I'm gonna try it, man. Seems like it has enough weekly downloads, yeah. 18 or that's nah, that can't be it. I got so many downloads, but only 168 stars. should I judge a package based on how many stars it has? Because that's what I usually do. I don't know if that's good or not. Oh, somebody was saying the document cookie property on the web docs. Oh yeah, this is what you're talking about, huh? I do that too. What? Look how many stars the thing got. All right, I'm gonna check. I'm gonna try this out. This is from ChatGPT, man. ChatGPT, hopefully they'll know what's up. Cookie exists. I don't know what all that means, but let's try it. What's my cookie name? I don't know what it is. I'm trying to find it. This is it right here. I hope it's always the same name. Maybe that's based on my Supabase session. Alright, let's see. So I'm gonna say is user logged in equal cookie present. Alright, let's see if the dang cookie is gonna be present here. So are we logged in? We are logged in. And then if I hit about, we are still logged in. Alright, so that works. Now let me add it to the topics page and maybe even the type racer page. Alright. Got a lot of junk up here, man. It's not really great engineering, I think, but it will have to do for now. So that's on the type racer page, and let's hit it one more time on this topics page. And then let's try and actually build something more interesting than this stuff. Like maybe actually finishing up the registration part. I also want to add the Twitch Auth for registering. Yeah, maybe I build out this registration page a bit more. What was I doing? I was on the topics page. Yeah, that's where I was. And then my cookies. All right, there we go. What do we got, man? All the pages. Now we're all right. I need to make a sign out button now as well. Should I do that? Or should I just have people, they need to manually delete their cookies to sign out? No, I should make a sign out page. Or, man, I'll probably do that after. I don't want to sign out right now. Let me work on the register page. Yeah. So on the login thing, maybe I have a redirect to the register also. Uh-oh, that register page needs to be updated. What did it say I was tripping about? Oh, this is not good. Let me think here. No, this is not what we're trying to do, man. Right? I should handle this with a server side function. yeah, let me refactor this. So I guess I'll take this action here, and I'll copy it over to my server or my registration page. And this is kind of like a server-side function that takes a post request or something, so I'm able to access the data that we send in this form. And is that what we want to do? Let me think. You probably want to do that check in the header component to reduce the duplication. Oh, that is a great point, man. Yeah, I see what you're saying. You said this earlier, but it didn't quite click. But now, I know exactly what you're talking about, man. So I will do that immediately. I think it's worthwhile to do before I forget. So it's just this stuff. I'll take it out. And then in my header thing, I'm just gonna put this junk. And then I don't even have to check this logged in shit anymore. Just check if the cookie is present. I like that. And then now I can go ahead and delete all the junk I added everywhere. Boss Gans, how you doing? Wait, create a custom hook to get a cookie and reuse it on every page? No, I like it in the header more, I think. I don't know anything about custom hooks, you know? I'm sure I'll learn about them one day, but not today. Alright. What else? We don't need that cookie thing there either. Delete that. Delete that. Wait, that had the dang thing, but there was no, I didn't even put the cookie stuff in there, huh? Alright, let's see what's up. Well, that register page still doesn't work. Alright, that looks good. That looks great. Thank you for that suggestion. Alright, what was I working on? I was trying to register page. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Alright, here we go. I think I can remove this. I don't know how these remix things work. Like, let me look on the login page. Method posts. That's all I gotta do. Just give them a method. Let me just compare them. Oh, this looks like a different form. This is like a remix form. And this one is using some other form. So maybe I'll use this form instead. And hopefully everything else is similar. Yeah, I hope so. Oh, And I gotta use this action data stuff here. Alright, I'm gonna just delete this. No, I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it for now. Alright, so this is gonna be able to call this server-side action. And alright, so I need my Supabase. Oh. I'm gonna just look up what ChatGPT told me the other day. Hold on, 1 second. What time is it, man? How long have I been streaming? Who knows? Hour 20 minutes. Time for the daily? No, man, I ain't doing no leak code right now. What was I doing? I was trying to get my chat GPT stuff. Alright. Like today's daily. Oh, revisualize. Thank you very much for the raid. How are you doing? What's poppin'? It's a fun one. You trying to make me have FOMO? You trying to make me check it out? Alright, this was my chat GPT. We're trying to do the registration stuff. Let me see what they told me. Sign up. So here's my sign up. Wait, you gotta insert that? No, I don't have to insert none of that, right? I think this is good. I rated you from a channel where I was by myself. Oh, well, thank you for doing that, man. Welcome to the party. I'm trying to add that auth to my dang website, and it's going all right, perhaps. Oh, Supabase server. Let me think. Yes, yes, yes. So I'll just use all right. I hope this works the way I think it's gonna work. Got my Supabase clients, the email password from the thing. I was streaming, studying for my what? RHCSA? I need to hold myself accountable, so I studied for 2.5 hours, worked through a couple of chapters. Yeah, that's exactly the reason I started to stream Revisualize. And, you know, in the beginning, nobody was watching either. And it took months for people to get to know me and start coming regularly. But for a long time, I also just used streaming as a tool to be accountable, and I just turn the camera on and get studying. And it worked really well. And that's kind of why I'm continuing to do it, because I found that if I want to accomplish something, I just turn my stream on and I work on it on stream, and I'm able to like focus fully. Oh, Michael Sarfo from YouTube. Sorry, I just saw your message, man. I'm a bit slow to reading my YouTube chat sometimes. I'm always working on that though. All right. All right, maybe we don't need, I don't know what the hell this profile stuff is. All right, let me try this. Uh-oh. I know what's wrong. That's wrong. All right, so let's see if it works. Oh, I need to use a different email. I'm gonna just put in a crazy thing. Oh, let me actually put in something that kind of makes sense. Is it gonna work? I don't think it's gonna work. I clicked the button, but nothing's happening. Maybe I gotta do some other stuff. And with Gmail, oh yeah, you're right. I could just put that plus thing, yeah? Maybe I'll use that. Thanks. That's a good tip. All right, let me see where I'm messing up here, man. So, how does it know? Label, email, type email name, email required. Is that there? Type email. It doesn't have a name. Type password. Do I give it a name? But still, it doesn't even do anything when I hit submit. What else do I have to do? Not sure. Maybe I'll restart. All right. Oh, did that work? That worked. That worked. Something that annoys the heck out of me is when a web sign-up doesn't understand that plus is a valid character in an email address. Yeah, that sounds... I know what you're talking about. I don't really use the plus things too much, but maybe I should use it more. Alright, I'm just checking my database to see... Look at that. I got 2 people in my thing. So that register stuff works, I guess. Let me make it a little bit nicer looking. Not too nice though. Maybe I'll just steal the styling from this login page. All right, here we go. Register on the left, login on the right. Should I hit them with the div, the header, and then give them this class name. Give those labels some class names here. The two labels. Maybe I gotta remove some of these divs, but let me see. Dang, what the hell? Steven Sagiball with a raid of 1. Man, Steven Sagiball, did you just stream just to raid me, or were you actually streaming? I don't trust you, man. I know you're always up to some sneaky stuff. Why do you have to emphasize the 1? Because I know you don't stream, man. I know you're just trying to come in here and raid with a party of 1. I miss your streams? No, man. You don't have any streams for me to miss, though. Man, you made me forget what I was doing. Alright, my register page. That's what I was doing. Dang, no, little Freezy is doing it. Look, alright. I don't know who started this. If it was Steven Sagiball or Revisualize. Yeah. Revisualize started it, but now it's a raid party. Yeah, it's crazy what website developers have to support for basic forms with all of the newly required character types. I don't know what character types you're talking about. Header is not defined. What? Oh, over here. Okay, okay. We're getting somewhere. Alright, this register thing, it's gotta go. Maybe this needs to be like a flex call. Alright, we're getting somewhere, man. What else? What else do they want from me? Input stuff, maybe. Input class names. All of the languages and characters. Oh. What frameworks are you using for the front end? Ryoshi, what's happened? I am using React Remix for the front end. And Tailwind. Alright, there's my dang register stuff. Almost done with the register. This button needs a dang thing too. Pat, you just call me Pat, man? Can you ask your director to hire me and Pat? Man, I would. Except there's no headcount, man. We haven't had a new hire in years. All the new people that we've gotten in our org have been like reorgs or other teams merging into our org. It's crazy. The only places where we have had new hires has been Brazil. That's the only place. And I think, all right, if you're willing to move to Hungary, maybe there's a chance, man. Because We're hiring a few people in Hungary and Brazil. I think Brazil is already fully hired for our org. And we're opening up a new site location, yeah, over there in Hungary. That's the same with my team. No new hires, only a few reorgs, but 0 true new hires. Yeah. It's been years, man. So. Alright. What else shall we do? Let me think. Well, let me try it in incognito, man. Let me make number 2. Huh. See, I probably registered successfully, but it didn't set the cookie. Maybe I need to set the cookie on my response there on the registration. You know, like, yeah, for sure I need to do that. So, is it like that? All right, let's try it one more time. I'm gonna go in my Supabase, and I guess I'll just delete that number 3 one, or number 2. Except I don't know how to delete. Somebody told me this the other day. Authentication, maybe here, yeah. I hope Pat's okay. What do you mean? What's up with Pat? Check his Discord. Oh lordy. Yeah, I'll check after the stream. Alright, let's see what's happening. I was testing the registration in an incognito window with no cookies. Well, there's another incognito open. Let me make sure everything is closed. Then I'm gonna register with +2. There we go. All right, I feel like we're making some decent progress. Maybe I can make this profile page look somewhat okay. Proud of you, thank you. Google 3 engineer. Yeah, but I'm like, you know, we don't do any of this stuff at work, man. We don't use anything like this. Was 3 the version? Yeah, it was. That's what they told me. I don't know what version 1 and version 2 is like, or where it even is. Alright, here is what I'm gonna do. Profile page. Man, how do I make it look nice? Maybe I need this stuff in there. This is the main thing. Let me see. All right. Man, that looks crazy ugly. How the hell, man? Alright, that's good enough for now, I think. Wait, did they get the notice? Due to economic uncertainties beyond the control of the business operation, we have made the business operational determination that your position is redundant and your services are no longer required. We wish you the best of luck. Who got that? No, I haven't. Dang. I haven't been laid off yet. Future Highway, what's happening? I'm assuming you have authorization for only the things that you should be able to do, or am I going to have yeah, I don't have all those features yet. Right now how it works is I just type in a password, and then on my back end I verify that the password is correct in order to update the type racer. But now that I have Supabase kind of integrated, I will move over to that role-based access or whatever. I don't know what you call that. Yeah, so alright, when those people sign up, yeah, how do I specify what role they are? You know? Like, how do I give somebody... I'm just looking at the database here. I don't know what I'm looking at. So these roles are just authenticated, but what other roles do I have? I don't know. Are these the roles? Super admin? Or do I create a new role? The real Raymond Jones is in the house. What's happening, man? You ever used Supabase before, Raymond? Authenticated. I don't know which one, or maybe I gotta create those roles elsewhere. We'll see. I'll look into that. I used it for 5 seconds and then gave up. I just got an offer in Sunnyvale. You think it's solid to live there, man? Congrats, first of all, on the offer. Sunnyvale. It's kind of boring, but yeah, it's okay to live there for sure. I don't know how much excitement you need in your life. Oakland was pretty good, man. Oakland had a lot of good food. The only thing was I was not in like my apartment wasn't that great. It was in a decent area in Oakland, but I didn't have any parking, so I had to do street parking. That was the most annoying thing. And then at nighttime, the area gets a bit sketch. Not into clubbing. Just go to restaurants, maybe want to dance salsa or something. Yeah, I don't know. Wasn't Chi doing salsa classes? Maybe he can tell you where to go. I don't know where to go dancing, but Sunnyvale has restaurants, you know. I think you'll be alright in Sunnyvale, man. You're not moving to Sunnyvale because it's a exciting town. You're moving there because you got a job over there, man, you know. Yeah, if you just sit inside and stream, you'll be alright. Sunnyvale is fine. And are you gonna get a car? I suppose you're gonna need a car over there. All right, what are we doing, man? Maybe, all right, I gotta remove this thing from the front page. You don't want a car, man. It's possible to live without a car in the Bay, but if you can drive, man, you should just get a car. It will make your life a lot easier. Doesn't have to be a fancy car, you know, you can just get something cheap. But it's not walkable. I suppose if you lived on like very specific places, it might be walkable. Trevor C from YouTube, what's happening? How do you feel about API integrations? I don't know anything about API integrations. I've never done any. Have I done any? Nah, I don't do API integrations, man. So I don't really have any thoughts about them. How can we stream it on a Tuesday? Man, I just felt like I had to make more progress on this dang authentication stuff, you know? It's been kind of bothering me that I haven't really made much progress. Like I guess I made some progress, but I haven't shipped a new version, man. I haven't shipped at least basic authentication out there on the live website. And I just really want to finish it, so that's why I'm streaming. It's hard to make solid progress when I'm only doing like 4 hours a week, you know, on Monday like a couple hours and Wednesday a couple hours. So that's why I'm streaming today, to get a few more hours in. Alright, so now I have a super basic dashboard. There's more to come, but I think it's probably okay for now. And registration looks like it's working also for the time being. And then now, I guess I can ship it, man. We can just upload this and see what happens. No, we need a logout button. We need a logout button for sure. All right, let me do the logout thing real quick. Do I have to make a new route? I think so. I'll just copy one of these. Might not be a. Might need just a loader thing here. I'm gonna delete everything except the Supabase stuff. Maybe I can just hit them with the auth.logout or something. Sign in, sign out. Maybe that's all I gotta do, man. And then, why is form data async? What are you talking about? A pair? Who knows, man? Who knows, TV Josh? But this is, yeah, I don't know how a remix, is it supposed to not be async? Let me see what other things are. That one's async. I just copied some of them. Let me look at my type racer one. Oh yes, this one isn't oh, this one is async too. They're all async, it seems. What? There, where? Oh, maybe. Oh, I see. Like this one is async because we're doing. Wait, request.form data. Oh, why is that async? I don't know. Because it returns a promise. Um, log out. That's what I'm trying to do real quick. Alexander6, thank you very much for the raid. Welcome to the party. Back with snacks. How are you doing? How are y'all doing, man? Are you guys doing web dev? Are you doing like remix stuff, React stuff, Supabase stuff? Because that's what I'm doing. Auth error? Or no? Hold on, man. So is it like... Maybe... Alright, let me try this logout thing, see if it actually logs me out. Laravel stuff. Typical web dev with Laravel, but tonight it was configuring a Linux desktop. Very cool. Laravel, Livewire, Vue, Tall. I only know what Laravel is and Vue. I've never heard of Livewire or Tall. Website for creators in jQuery PHP. Spidan333. What's happening? Man, everybody's building stuff out there. I'm building a website too. It's like my personal website, midnightsimon.com. And it's, I usually do leak code streams, so I do a lot of algorithms. And only recently have I switched over to doing web dev. And my old site, this is my old site before I redid it. It's just a hard-coded HTML, CSS page to keep track of subscribers. And it's not a very modern site. And I keep track of my type racer champions and whatnot. And then the new site looks like this. And so if you're into leak code, I got a bunch of topics you should study. Got my type racer champs. And now I'm working on adding authentication to my website. And I'm working on my logout button right now. I should check out yours, Spidan. Let me check out your website. Is it safe? I don't know. All right. Someone tell me about Laravel Auth? Yeah, I don't know anything about Laravel, man. PHP stuff. Back with snacks. You also got a website too. Should I check it out? It's fancy. You guys are super fancy, huh? Man, everyone's a Laravel developer over there. F1 fan. What else? Fancy. Podcasts, resumes, everything. Projects. You're busy out there, man. Alright. Well, looks pretty cool. I've never heard of Livewire, but I guess that's like PHP stuff. Okay. Log out page. That's what I'm trying to do, man. Here we go. Here we go. I guess we can delete all of this stuff. I'm gonna delete everything here. Oh shit. I'm gonna just have empty div. Spidan, back with snacks. Thank you very much for the follows. Alright, let's see. So I'll open new incognito. I'll log in. Oh wait. I guess I can just, yeah, I'll just log in regular like this. And then I'll log out. And I don't think that worked the way I thought it would work. How the hell do you make a logout server-side action route thing without actually navigating to that thing, you know? Sorry to raid and run, but the pup needs to go out. Yeah, thank you very much for the raid, and enjoy the rest of your evening. Alright, you know what time it is? It's time to ask ChatGPT. Come on now. Tuto 1902, thank you very much for the follow. X Proof, how you doing? What am I trying to find out? I'm trying to find sign out. Yes, yes. Okay. Man, I don't want it to be a whole dang page though, you know? I don't know how to do that. Dang. Tuto 1902. Thank you very much for the gifted sub. My dang thing didn't even make noise for me, man. I'm sorry. I didn't see that, but thank you so much. Let me add your name to my list of subscribers for 2025. Here we go. Add supporter from Tuto 1902. 1 sub. Thank you so much. Submit. Oh, another sub. Clistar. Thank you very much for the sub. Let me add your name too, man. Alright. Oh, is the site live? Yeah, this site is live right now at midnightsimon.com. Alright, look at that. Clistar with 2 stars for 2025. So you need to create a button and do a post request to the logout. Oh, yeah. But does it work like that with Remix? Let me see. Something about Remix. Create server side function without. I don't want to create like a logout page or something, you know. I just want like the logout server side thing only. But maybe I just don't know what I'm talking about, you know. Or maybe I can just try that thing. Let me think. You don't have to. You can even use Axios or routing to solve it. Cool website. We need to bring you over to the PHP side though. Stop by one of our streams, either Alexander6 or mine. You'd be pleasantly surprised. Well, thank you so much for inviting me over, man. I don't really know anything about web dev in general, so this is like the first time I'm attempting any type of web dev in many, many, many years. I mainly do C++. I'm an infrastructure C++ software engineer. So I'm just kind of like learning as I go. And I chose to use React and stuff because it feels like that's what's standard these days. Have a call with a meta recruiter soon. I might have an interview, so I was looking to prepare, but I'm not looking forward to doing leak code again. I feel you on that. Leak code ain't that bad though. It's enjoyable. Maybe. All right, what was I trying to do? I don't remember. Yeah, log out. But does it have to be a page? I don't want to log out page, man. Let me just go to the Auth Supabase. Supabase SSR. That means you're a clever guy? I don't know, man. I try to work hard, but I'm not too much of a hard worker all the time. But I think that's why I'm where I'm at, because I worked hard to get here. What I practiced like 2 years ago is straight gone. X-Proof, you haven't practiced in 2 years? It doesn't have to be a page, just a component that has a form and does a post request to the endpoint. Yeah, so that's kind of like the problem back with Snacks. I don't know how to create an endpoint with Remix without also it being like a front end route, you know? Maybe I don't need this function then. Wait, this is my register stuff. Wait, no, that's... Maybe I don't need this, and I can just have this server-side action. And then I can just... But then how did it know to redirect here, you know? Let me think about something for a minute. Let me try this real quick. I'm just experimenting here. All right, so I'm in. Let me log in. What's my thing? Testing 1, 2, 3. Logged in. Yes, everything is good. And then let me try and log out. See, it doesn't redirect me like I thought it should. Let me... All right, we're logged in. All right, I don't know. Hair crunching in the background. You have a cat? I do not have a cat, but I have a girlfriend who's probably crunching in the background somewhere. Make a button, and when you click the button, make it console log button clicked. In web dev, it's not best practice to log out using the URL bar. Right, I'm just testing it out though. I'm not actually making people go to log out. I'm trying to see if this endpoint works, you know? Because I don't know how Remix works. It's supposed to create an endpoint with the name /logout, everything in the routes, but I don't know if this is the right syntax, you know? So that's what you see me doing some strange things over here. But I think I'll just consult the documentation if they have anything for me. Yes, they don't have anything for me. Enrosis, how are you doing? Should the logout action be called using JavaScript rather than a direct link for it to work? Yeah, maybe. If everybody is saying something similar, let me try to just make a button in the header or something. So if cookie is present, can I do that? This is like a route, so I don't know if that will work either. Let me see. Hope your week is going well. Have a good night. Zugod, what's happened? Week is just beginning, but hopefully it goes well. It's going pretty good so far, man. I just went to the dentist today, and next week is a short week, or this weekend is a long weekend. Alright, that stuff didn't work. Maybe it's not a dang nav item. Maybe alright. You know, say I shouldn't make a button. Long weekend, man. It's President's Day on Monday. Because it looks like it's an action, not an endpoint. No, the actions are server-side functions and stuff. I'll show you what I mean. Like, check out, say... Alright, I'll just load up my website. Open up the network thing. So anytime I click on something like type racer, it actually makes... Does it make a call? And then, well, I don't know if that one makes the call. Which one makes a call? Some of them make calls, man. But maybe not those. Yeah, like this. So this one... Maybe? Is that how it works? Sign out function from Supabase is only for browser side. How are you setting the cookie? I'm setting the cookie on successful login. It sets the cookie. Is that true, man? Sign out from Supabase is only for browser side. No, they have servers. No, they don't. All right, sign out. This is Kotlin. Reset password. Wait, sign out a user. RoboDom, how's it going, RoboDom? Project is coming along okay. Trying to figure out how to sign out a user, and apparently I need to call this on the client side only. You're not in the browser context. If you have the set cookie function, then call it again, but set the expiry to immediately. All right, maybe I can maybe I can create the thing on. I'll just create a component for logout. And I'll just copy whatever they had. I don't remember where it was. It was somewhere, man. Is it this? No, I swear I saw it, man. Now I lost it. Jesus Christ. Alright, must have been in the docs. Must have been in these docs somewhere. Remix. Yeah. No. This isn't. Man, what am I looking for? I'm looking for a Supabase SSR. Oh, the component. Client creates browser clients. All right, here we go. Oh dang, and that gets my stuff from my. Man, can I do that? I'm gonna try that. Should I call it that? I don't know. I guess, what do we want here? I just want like a button. I'm gonna just ask ChatGPT because I don't know HTML like that, man. Creates me a React component that has a button and sends a logout request. So my logout is gonna do, I'm gonna just delete all of this. I'm gonna log out. I guess it's just gonna be, what did Supabase tell me to do? This junk right here. Alright, how do I do this? How do I make a function, man? Or do I have to put this somewhere else like that? No. Is my syntax wrong? What did ChatGPT tell me? I don't know, man. Let me try that. I don't think it's gonna work, but we can try. We can try, man. Oh shit. What the heck? Supabase. Where you at? Where's my logout button thing? Absi Siawi. What's happened? I'm from Nur. I don't know where that is, but welcome. How you doing? Uh-oh. So I guess in 19. Oh shit. Wait. What's wrong with that? Aren't they supposed to be set? Maybe I have to like rerun stuff. No, no, no. I don't know what to do. Should I just like hard code my keys there? Or no? Oh, you know what? I'll use this client here. Wait, shit. Create browser client. Browser client from SSR? What does that even mean, man? Alright, I'll try this. Supabase client. this, hopefully. Man, let me see what's up. Log out. I don't know if that works. Error, null. Wait, does that mean I'm logged out? Oh, I'm logged out, man. I am definitely, look, I'm logged out. All right, cool. Log in. All right, I'm logged in. Log out. Logged out. So now maybe I need to do some type of redirects or something, you know, like that. All right, let me try it again. Log in. Uh-oh. I didn't log in properly. All right, there we go. Right? Uh-oh. Wait, did I mess something up, man? No, it's not working. Now I can't log in, man. I think I broke it. Hold on. Let me start incognito. Not logged in. Fresh cookies. Logging in. Testing. 1, 2, 3. That's my password. It says I'm logged in, but I don't believe it because I didn't get no cookies set, and it says login up there still. See, like it still says log in, man. So I must have broke something. Man, how did I break something so easily? Wait, what? B Becca? Talking about B Becca in here? Who says B Becca? Steven Sagaball. Why are you tagging B Becca here? Anyways. It's always... You thought you saw him? Nah, he ain't here, man. In web dev, it's always easy to break something. Yeah, I don't know how I broke it. I really don't know what I did. But I did something, and now it's like my cookies aren't being set properly, you know? So, alright, let me... one more fresh incognito real quick. Let me monitor what's going on here. Oh, look at that. Process is not defined. What are they talking about, man? Is that like my environment variable stuff? Process is undefined. What are they talking, man? Alright, one more time maybe. Something is seriously broken though. Alright, so I hit the login. Found with the redirects. So it says in the headers, it says set cookie right there. But and then I go to profile, but I don't have the cookie, man. And that, why is that? Is that a token? Yeah. Oh, wait. So that in my header, maybe I messed up something in my header, man. Oh, maybe they changed my cookie name. Did they do that? They can't do that, right? That looks the same to me. Alright, I'm stumped. I feel like everything was working and now I'm not sure what I broke. Oops. Take out the redirect. Oh, this thing. But I didn't even click that logout button, you know? Alright. Okay. So that's working. Maybe it's my... Maybe that was the problem. The heck? Interesting. Oh, because I see what you're saying. Redirect is a server-side function. Yes, I know what you're talking about, man. Alright, so now remix how to navigate to another page on button click. Use navigate. Navigate. Yes. This is what we need instead of that redirect stuff. So let me import this, and then in here we gotta navigate to all right, here we go. We're logged in, everything looks cool, and we log out, and we're all right. There is basic auth, man. I could ship it right now. We log in, we're logged in. We can click around, go to our profile thing, tells me my email address, and we click log out, and we're logged out now. Excellent. Is that it? It's 10:30 p.m. and I'm not even supposed to be streaming tonight. So should I call it? I mean, I'll ship it. Let me ship it before I call it. And there's a few things that I need to fix. Let me actually work on these low-hanging fruit while I can. What's the login stuff for again? If you want my personal info, you just have to ask. All right, Robodom, let me tell you, and everyone here who has no idea why I'm pimping out this simple website. So right now, like, why would I even want authentication? I'll tell you why, Robodom. Eventually, I'd like people to be able to register for the site. And then, oh, I need a link to register. And then when they register, they can set their LeetCode profile And instead of just having a type racer leaderboard, I want to have a dang type racer leaderboard, elite code leaderboard, all types of different leaderboards. And I also want to do login with Twitch, like Auth with Twitch, and then you can claim one of these usernames. And if your Twitch username matches with one of these subscribers, then you'll be able to, maybe I'll change the color of the name to like yellow or have an underline under it. And I want you to be able to select the color of your stars if you want a different color, or maybe even a custom shape instead of stars. I'm not sure yet. Things like that. And eventually I would like to recreate Type Racer RoboDom, and I want to incorporate WebSockets into my website as well. So I want to like have each user be in like some room where we can see everyone else typing and whatnot. Or I don't know, man. I have like all these funky ideas in my head. I'm not sure which one of them will stick. Can we choose an eggplant? Maybe. We'll see. Maybe if you pay some extra money, you can choose the eggplant. All right, some things that I need to work on. Let me think. Let me think real quick. I wanted to, oh yeah, update the thing when I'm offline. So I'm going to go in here into my back end stuff, and I'm just going to update my data where it shows me not online. And then it still shows me as online. Oh, no. Maybe it's not reading my data from there. Oh, this is my dang, not the right database. This is the one. All right, there we go. But it's still offline, man. Man, who put that there? All right, there we go. This is offline, and there's a dang 0 anytime I'm offline. I got 30k web dev coins I need to spend. Yeah, I don't have anything. You save your money, man. Save your money. All right, this is in my banner. I don't want to show that dang 0. I just want to show maybe offline. So what am I doing, man? Here we go. Where is that happening? Props, I'm online. Is that how you do it? No, that's not how I want to do it. I'm gonna put this here, like maybe like this. So I'm checking, am I online? Then that, otherwise offline. And then I guess I'll change this text to something else. But I think I have to use these weird stuff over here. How do you do that, man? No, I don't know how to do that. Maybe I can't. Okay, maybe I can do it that way. Wait, let me see how this color looks. All right, I'll keep the same color. So let me try that. But I have to put it here as well. Can I do it like that, man? No, I gotta put the whole thing in. Alright, let's play around with this gray color stuff. Gray 600. No, that's too intense. Gray 400. Decent, maybe. And then when I'm online, I don't know. There we go. Now it's green when I'm online. You're gonna eventually open this up, open this project for PRs. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not sure, Robodom. Maybe not to the public, but I will open it up, or I'll invite certain people eventually in the community to be able to contribute, like if you really want. But I don't want like random people contributing. But if like any of you want to really contribute and you're serious about like contributing, maybe we can talk, you know. But give me some time to like build it out a bit more and organize stuff. All right, so that's fixed. What else did I want to do for this website real quick before I ship a new version? And I'm shipping it with the login stuff. You think I should? No. You think I can do that, man? Can I just put the login stuff in there? Should I take out all these weird console logs? I'll see if you want to push or not. Yeah, I kind of do, but I'm not sure if I'm pushing too early. Because maybe I have some weird bugs. But man, what security risk is there? There's nothing wrong, man. I'm gonna delete this whole file. All right, let me at least make my logout button somewhat okay, you know. Do the daily before ending. Man, you're making me do work. Where's my logout button, first of all? So this whole logout thing, I'm gonna just delete this logout page. I don't think we need this. Mohammed, thank you very much for the follow. Oh, Robodom, I missed your hydrate, man, I think. Did I? Anyways, cheers. Man, there's a few things I needed to do. But maybe I'll save all this stuff for tomorrow. Because this is just a one-off stream, man. I wasn't even supposed to be streaming today. This button is ugly. Man, how can I style button text? Should I put it in a list item? I don't know if that does anything to it. No. It's like the text is a little bit different, man. I don't know how to do anything here. All right, let me Google this real quick. Tailwinds. Style the button text. Like that. Class name. Let me see how that button text looks. Oh, that's way too ugly. Hold on. I just want to try and get this text to be a bit smaller. Yeah. That should do it for now, man. Should I really ship it like this? But everybody knows my password, man. I can't ship it like that. I guess it doesn't matter if you know my password because you can't do anything anyways. Let me think for a second. All right, I'm gonna ship it. What's my password? Testing 1 2 3, man. I'm gonna change it though. Don't you worry. I'm actually just gonna delete myself from the database. Delete all these testing accounts, you know. All right, give me a second to build everything and ship everything, and then I'm out of here. So I have some scripts, maybe I can run them. Hunter 42, become greatness. Welcome to the party. Yes, this is what I need. Just run everything. Oh shit. I gotta start Docker. So this is, stream is coming to an end. It's gonna take a few minutes for me to deploy this stuff because it takes some time to build the Docker images and whatnot and then upload them to my server. So bear with me while I do that. And I'm hiding my screen so I don't dox myself or my keys. Bubbles and honey. What's happening? Thank you. All right, here we go. Here we go. So I know you're amazing at calculating ELO. Just curious what your prediction date is for me hitting 1 million. How much are you at right now, Q? I think you're gonna get there real soon. Dang, you need $20,000. That's it? I think within a month you'll get there, man. Oh, do some random bets? No. No. That's how Q ended up broke and homeless before, when he used to be rich. Q used to be really rich and then he lost it all, man. And now he's gained back all of his wealth. It took a long time. It took many years. Yeah, he went broke multiple times because he keep gambling, you know. Alright, we're still building these images and saving them and whatnot. Well, maybe we're just building them. Haven't even started to save them. Yeah, Q, don't be gambling, man. You'll get there. By default, you'll get there. And then I'm gonna have to build that keyboard for you. Alright, man. Oh, shit. You know what? I don't have a dang register button. What a joke. Should I do that? Because then I'm gonna have to redeploy. Yeah, let me do that real quick, man. Jesus Christ. You have time, man? I guess I have time, but not really. I gotta be going, man. You think I got time to stream on a Tuesday night? It's crazy. Alright, what is it? Well, I'm trying to... I guess on the login page, I can add that button that says register. Let me just make another button here. Wait, let me see how it looks first. What am I looking at? Here we are, the login page. Should just be a button by itself. How do I make that centered? Can I just align middle? No. Justify. How do I do that? Let me see. Where are all my CSS people at? Can I just put this button under the other button in the form? Alright, but then I don't want it to just do anything. I want it to what do we do when we handle a click? We need to navigate, right? Use navigate or use navigation. I don't know. What was it? Let me go look in the button that I made, the logout button. Let's use navigate. And what am I doing here? Oh, this is the register thing. All right, let's see if this works. So there's a button on click. How do you do this? Is it like so? Is this button redirecting? Yeah, not redirecting. It's navigating elsewhere. All right, I don't I don't like how it looks pretty much the same. Let me change the register button to a different color. What's a good color, man? I don't know, maybe I'll just keep it at blue. Teal? Alright, I don't know. They got teal like that, man? Should I listen to you, Robodom? Hit them with the teal 600? How about a teal 700? No. How about a teal 900? No, no, no. I think I like the teal 500. And then I'll hit them with like a blue 800. All right, there we go, there we go. All right, now we can ship it, man. Let me go ahead and rebuild that image and save it again. Which image was that? That one was my remix, right? All right, we're almost there. We're almost at the finish line. And then tomorrow we'll continue. Tomorrow I'll add even more features, man. This site is gonna be sick one day, I hope. I really hope. All right, now time to hide all my screen. All right, now I'm uploading stuff. Anyways, Robodom, how are you doing these days, man? Are you a busy guy or what? Are they coming here talking about drinking, man? Is that what you've been up to these days? Is that like a new hobby of yours? Or is it something you've always done? I was talking about you were drinking, man. What you talking about? You were in here talking about drinking on, sipping on some stuff. All right, I am uploading my Docker images. Oh, Jesus. CM Griffin with the raid. as I'm about to leave, but I'll show you what I've been working on real quick. Real quick, man. What's happened, everybody, from the CM Griffin raid? I'm a leak code monkey who's been trying to do web dev, and this is my latest creation. I'll show you right now. Well, it's not running, man. It ain't running. Come on. Let me just run it up real quick, and then I can show you. Such timing, much wow. Yeah, I'm at the last leg. I'm about to end. I'm just deploying it, and then I'll leave. But here, hopefully, all right, here it goes. This is my website. I've just added some new stuff. Login. I've added some authentication to it. And then it's just a website to show all my subscribers over the years, all the Type Racer champs over the years as well. And there's a lot more things coming. The latest thing I've added is this authentication stuff and the registration. So I'm trying to deploy this right now, and eventually, like right now, when you register, you can't do anything, but things are coming, man. Don't you worry. Eventually, I'd like to build a Type Racer like game, like basically recreate Type Racer, but have it in-house. And I'm working towards that goal throughout this year. So I'll be incrementally updating my website with Type Racer in mind. Anyways, that's a quick tour. Thank you very much for that raid, by the way. And now I'm going back to hiding my screen real quick while I upload some of these things, and then we'll test it out. I remember someone making something like that years ago, like Type Racer. Was it Type Racer? Man, I swear I've been Type Racing for a long time, and they haven't updated anything, man, in many years. So, oh, coding specific Type Racer, interesting. Yeah, I've seen a few of them out there. I don't really use them though for anything. I'm not a fast coder. I have trouble hitting like special characters. Alright, I'm uploading my last thing, and then I have to deploy them onto my server real quick. I guess, yeah. I forget all the commands, how to do anything. Alright, here we go. It's like docker load. Yeah. Sudo docker load some junk. Alright, I just have 2 more images to load on my server, and then I have to bring it down and bring it back up. Alright, I'm on the second of 3 Docker images that I'm loading up. And then now I'm on the last one. And was it Docker compose down? So I'm bringing down the website. It's stopping. Man, how does it take so long to stop? And then Docker compose up D. All right, let's see if it works. I guess I can switch my screen back. All right, midnightsimon.com. So I've added some more LeetCode streamers. So in about 1 minute, maybe we should see, hopefully we should see some more up there. I added the login stuff, That's up there. Should we try it? Let's try and see if everything works, man. I'm gonna log in. Well, first I have to register. Alright, don't look at my password, man. Oh, I registered, man. Look at that. And then everything's good. But I haven't seen this update yet. So I'll give it like another minute or so. Or I can, alright, I guess I can just check the logs. Docker logs, decode online checker. Is it must be a valid email? Eventually. I think right now, maybe not. Can you add other authentication like Gmail, Twitch? Yeah, I'll be adding Twitch tomorrow, not tonight. All right. So this thing, where's everybody? Oh man, I see. It's not showing up. All right. So I added Glump, I added Future Highway, and I added Solaris to the leak coders. But since they haven't gone online since I pushed this new update, they're not gonna show up here because their last online is gonna be like too far in the past, and I don't show inactive streamers. So the next time Glump, Future Highway, or Solaris go online, definitely not online right now. Yeah, next time you go online, your name is gonna pop up on the website, man. Yeah, Solaris streamed this afternoon, but this afternoon was before I just pushed this new update. So maybe tomorrow, if Solaris streams, he'll also be on the website. Exciting, exciting. And then, I don't know, that's it. That's it, that's all. Website's deployed. Tomorrow, I'm gonna be adding the authenticate with Twitch. And maybe working on some other stuff like setting up your leak code thing, or I don't know. Peak daily, it's quick, trust me. All right, real quick. And then I really gotta go, man. I'm not even supposed to be streaming today. So they remove a bunch of cheaters. Yeah, I don't know. Every week they remove a bunch of cheaters. All right, maximum sum of a pair with equal sum of digits. You're given a zero index array nums consisting of positive integers. You can choose two indices I and j such that I is not equal to j and the sum of digits of the numbers num is equal to that of nums j. Return the maximum value of nums I plus nums j that you can obtain over all possible indices I and j that satisfy the condition. Yeah, this one is pretty easy, I'd say. So what I do, I'm just going to iterate over every single number, sum up the digits for every number, and then keep a map, maybe. That's what I do, a frequency count with a map, and then just take the highest number with 2 digits, and if there's none, return -1. And that is going to be an n log n solution because a map is log n inserts, and I'm inserting n times, and that's the highest time complexity in there. Let me try and implement that, see if it works. Alright, how do I get the sum of a number, man? Should I make a function? How do you do that? Is it like this? So right, let me try that. And then some iterating over nums, everything in nums. And I'm getting the digit sum like that. And then I'll just put this into Anioto. Thank you very much for the follow. So I do that, and then I'll just say answer is -1, and I'm going to iterate over all nums, or what should I call this? Sum and counts in the frequency map, and I'm gonna say if the count is greater than equal to 2, then I guess we can just return that, right? Otherwise, return -1. Wait, I misread? Maybe I misread. Let me read it one more time. Sum of the digits. Return the maximum value of nums I. Oh, nums I plus nums j. Oh, yeah. I did misread future highway. All right, let me let me pivot, man. Let me think. So, all right. I can do this still. I'm going to change some things up. So instead, I will. I don't think I need a map because we don't need to sort. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to iterate through. And I guess what I'm doing is I'm going to map each digit sum to the maximum value that it's generated from. So get digit sum of nums I, and then I'm gonna be like freak digit sum equal to can I do this? So I just want wait. So if there's something already in there, that means we can just say we can just add them, right? And then we can set the max to the max of that. But this is, I feel like this is a bit inefficient because each time I'm doing this, I'm doing like a lookup, which is not great. And I'm already finding it right there. But it's no biggie, man. I think it'll still be all right. And then, yeah, so let's see if that works. And then I gotta go, man. All right, there we go. Should I post my solution? Real quick. C++ using, wait, O and hash map. Intuition, very similar to twosome. We are looking for a previous digit sum that is equal to the current digit sum. We remember the maximum value that generated a particular digit sum. That's all I'm gonna type, man, because I gotta go. Time complexity on, space complexity on. There we go. And here I'll post my solution here. Upvote that. It will get me some good visibility, maybe. And then that's it, man. I'm out of here. Let's go find somebody to raid. Yeah, Avocado Violet is on. Maybe we should just raid her. Man, what is she doing? She's not leak coding. Any leak coders out there? I guess only me. Alright, let's hit Avocado Violet, man. Redeem type racer? No. No type racers, man. We gotta go. How do you find all the leak code streamers? Simric 97, what's happening? I usually just search leak code on Twitch. But the ones on my website are like regular leak code people. So the ones here. I'll do an OA free for your D. Are you talking to Bobby Blue? Anyways. No, don't do that, Bobby Blue, because I gotta go, man. I really gotta go. I guess because we don't have anyone else to raid. Should I raid Avocado Violet even though she's chilling, man? I guess if we go in there and we tell her do leak code, she might do leak code. Here we go. Well, she can do whatever she wants, man. But I gotta go. Alright, thank you everybody for tuning in. It's been a productive web dev stream. I was able to deploy the new site. We have authentication working. Tomorrow we're gonna add Twitch OAuth. And and we're not doing type racer again today, man. I gotta go. Anyways, Bobby Blue, Robodom, have a good night. Don't defense. Q Ultimus. See you later. YouTube people, farewell. Thank you for tuning in. Simric 97, thank you for tuning in. Welcome to the party and have a good night. Little Freezy, have a good night, man. Thank you for showing up. Tomorrow is gonna be another very productive stream. I finally feel like I'm catching my flow with Remix and with Supabase a little bit. I think everything is starting to make sense. Holla holla, we them boys. Have a good night. Thank you for tuning in. And I'll see y'all tomorrow, man. Tomorrow, 9 p.m. regular stream time. 9 p.m. Eastern time. I'll see you. Farewell. See you later, YouTube.